Everybody's at the table, everyone's in place. Grandma has to smile as their voices blend in thanks, remembering the fevered brows, the hurts she's gently kissed. It's all been worth it for a moment such as this. For a moment such as this, she lives. She sacrificed a lifetime to experience this bliss. She's right where she wants to be. She wouldn't want to miss what she feels at a moment such as this. He's hanging on the cross in pain beyond belief. Jesus hears a cry for help coming from a wounded thief, and in his dying moments he gave heaven as a gift. It's all been worth it for a moment such as this. For a moment such as this, he died. He spoke eternal life as he was crucified. He was where he had to be, so he wouldn't have to miss what he felt at a moment such as this.
How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
He listens from the heavens to amazing grace. He sees a teardrop fall down a sinner's face. Because of his great sacrifice, mercy now exists. He did it all for a moment such as this. For a moment such as this, he lives. A path to sin and shame, he cleanses and forgives. He's right where he needs to be, so that we won't have to miss how heaven feels at a moment such as this. He did it all for a moment such as this.